The global demand for assistive movement solutions is growing faster than ever. By 2030, the exoskeleton market is projected to cross $2.03 billion. And most of that growth, it won't come from hospitals. It'll come from businesses like logistics, defense, field operations, manufacturing, and even hospitality. All are looking to give their workforce a safer, smarter way to move. And that's where the opportunity lies. People assume exoskeletons are just for rehab, but talk to a warehouse operator who lifts for 8 hours a day. Talk to a hotel staffer walking 15,000 steps per shift. Talk to the technician who climbs vertical shafts every week. Mobility is work. And when that movement is strained, everything slows down: output, morale, and safety. What's changing now is that the movement itself is becoming more sophisticated. We're seeing exosuits that can detect how your joints respond to pressure, adjust in real time, and reduce strain, all while you're working. In the older generation of wearable support, motion was mechanical. You had to move first, and the system followed. That lag is where efficiency got lost. Now, we have systems that use onboard sensors and real-time muscle data to anticipate movement before it happens. These suits adapt based on terrain, pace, weight distribution, and even fatigue signals. In some tests, recovery timelines for post-injury patients improved by up to 58%. In manufacturing use cases, companies saw a 35% reduction in worksite injuries after deploying mobility-enhancing systems. If you're managing a large workforce, the question isn't whether this is helpful. It's how soon can we integrate this into our daily workflows? Because what you're really achieving here is more uptime, less manual fatigue, lower insurance overheads, higher operational continuity, and a stronger retention story for physically demanding roles. For sectors like field engineering, logistics, and assembly line ops, this is operational ROI. A good exoskeleton needs to fit the job profile, the work surface, the duty cycles, the safety regulations, and the physical reality of your team. That's the part where most pilots fail because they optimize for the tech, not the user. At Intellivon, we work with companies to turn AI-enhanced mobility into a working, scalable system. We build for context, not just capability. Whether you're optimizing performance in high-impact roles or building safer workflows for everyday operations, we'll help you design systems that work reliably, repeatably, and at scale. If you're looking to bring wearable intelligence to the floor, let's talk. Thanks for watching.